your toes down on the other and just moving those toes back and forth like this. Swing back and forth. This is what it looks like to the side. You might move backwards a little bit, that's okay. Try with the other foot. Make sure you bend your knees. Try that a bunch of times until you can do it smoothly without losing your balance. Back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Try the other side. Back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Now you're ready for the next exercise, which is back, front, front. And on that second front, you're going to pivot this left leg. Weight is on the toes, and you're going to pivot this leg. Okay, so again, with your right leg doing the swinging, we're gonna go back, front, and change. So that now my right leg is behind on my toes and my weight is fully on my left leg. So again, that is back, front, change. Oh, lost my balance. All right, so we got on the toes, back, front, pivot. Back, front, pivot. Right. Now let's try it with the left leg, swinging. Back, front, pivot. Oop, I got ahead of myself. All right, so we got back, front, pivot. Back, front, pivot. Back, front, pivot. Back, front, pivot. Now let's go back and forth. So I'm going to start with my right foot doing the swinging motion. So we got right foot goes back, front, pivot. And now we're going to move that right foot to the front. So now my left foot is in back. And we can go back, front, pivot, switch. Back, front, pivot, switch. Back, front, pivot, switch. Back, front, pivot, switch. And then you can get fancy with it and do full turns. Turn, turn, turn. All right, I'm gonna do a few turns so you can see that the toe that pivots stays, the heel stays up. All right, so for example, with my right foot, pivots, right foot, pivots, right foot, pivot. Give this video a like if it was helpful to you and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on my next tutorial.